Hello everyone, welcome back. So I dug out this little takedown ferro rod that I made, gosh, it's got to be around 4 years ago. And I really haven't brought it out much because I used a 1/4 inch ferro rod, of course a Nathan 4071 ferro rod, in this. And then I was making some keychain ferro rod sets, and I ran out of ferro rods. So I took it out of this one. Now let me show you this. So in here we have the ferro rod, we have the striker, high-speed steel striker, we have this little Allen key, and then at the bottom of this bag we have some spare set screws and another little Allen key. And how this works is you could disassemble this whole thing. Loosen these set screws, and the rod comes out. And I just have a couple notches in the rod, and you could actually take it all the way down to that. Same thing with this one. That comes out. And boy, that's a small little package. So you say to yourself, well, why would you need something like that if you have a keychain ferro rod? I don't know. I just had fun making it. So let me put this back together. I just thought it was pretty cool. And you're able to replace the ferro rod if you eat it up. And you can cut this shorter if you want. Now, if you have a ferro rod that's epoxied into a handle, you could very, very carefully, with a heat gun, heat it up, and the epoxy will break. And you could replace it. So tighten that in there, tighten that in there. Put this back together. And there you have it. Now, what good is a ferro rod if you don't use it? Well, I'm actually in my garage / workshop, so I don't want to make a giant fire. But I have a little bit of Michigan gold. This is actually from Shalise and Charlie. Charlie picked this piece out. Look at this. Look at this. It's unbelievable. All right, let me get something so I could dump this. And let's get some sparks going here. Alright. Y'all ready for this? I spazzed out on that one, didn't I? Look at the smoke coming off of that thing. Charlie hooked me up. And that's just, you saw a little tiny bit. So yeah. Well, there you have it, folks. My little takedown ferro rod set that I actually made 4 years ago. Look at that when I was hitting that, how I stopped at the end. Let's put that in there. Oop, missed it. Let's see if it will burn. Oh, you see that spark? Oh, so what I had done was, remember I said that it was a 1/4 inch rod in there? I drilled this out and I put a 5/16 rod. Again, a Nathan 4071, of course. Thank you again, brother, for the ferro rods. They are awesome. So there you have it, folks. Another little quick video on a takedown ferro rod. Put that back in the case so you can see it again. And there it is. I mean, that's small. What are we looking at? Little less than 7 inches. You could easily, and if you took it all apart, you'll probably get it down to 4 inches and you can easily stow that in your pocket and you not even know it's there. So there you have it, folks. You know I'm going to say it. I'm sending you all much, much love and appreciation, my brothers and sisters. I hope you all are doing well. I thank you for coming along, and we'll see you on the next one.